Friction welding. Friction welding. Friction at the interface of the joining components create enough heat to join the pieces. One workpiece is stationary while the other is rotated at a high constant speed. Friction welding. The two members are brought together by an axial force. Once sufficient contact is established, the rotating member is stopped and axial force is increased. Friction welding. The pressure at the interface and the resulting friction produce enough heat for a strong joint to form. The weld zone depends on the following: amount of heat generated, thermal conductivity of the materials, mechanical properties of the materials at elevated temperatures. The shape of the welded joint depends on the rotational speed and axial pressure. Inertia. Friction welding. The heat is supplied by the case of a flywheel. As friction slows the flywheel, the axial force is increased.